Hello there, in this video we will be making a program that checks the given numbers are prime or not. So let's see the question. As it is written over here, you have to check whether a given number is prime or not. Take a number t as input representing count of input numbers to be tested. It means we will be given several numbers and the number of numbers is t. Take a number n as input t number of times for each input value and print prime if the number is prime and not prime otherwise. So let's write the loop for this first. One thing I noticed that writing a program takes decent amount of time. So I decided to do that beforehand and explain it to you one by one. So as we can see here, we have taken integer t, that is the number of numbers we will be provided with. For that I have created a for loop. For int I equals to 0, loop will start from 0 and then it goes to the value of t, that is the number of times we have to check a number is prime or not, and we have incremented I value with 1. Now let's look at the program to check whether a number is prime or not. Before doing that, let's understand what's a prime number. A prime number is a number that gets completely divided by 1 and the number itself. So let's look at the program to check whether a number is prime or not. Now let's see the program to check the prime number or not. As I said that a prime number is a number that gets completely divided by 1 and itself. So I have created a variable int count that counts how many times the number has been divided by any other number other than 1. Here I have created a for loop that is going to starts from 2. I have taken 2 because every number gets divided by 1. So I have started with 2 and then divisor is less than n and it gets incremented by 1 value. And inside the for loop I have written an if statement. If n ampersand division equals to 0, it means that if the number gets completely divided and the remainder becomes 0, it means that if a number n gets divided by its divisor and the remainder is 0, it means that the number has its factor, that is div. So we will increase the count by 1 and then this loop continues, and after it finishes, here comes another if statements. If the number does not get divided by any number, count will remain 0 and hence we will know that the number is prime and we will print out prime. Else count is other than 0, it means that the number is not prime. Now let's run the program. As we can see, the program works fine, and now let's try to submit it. Great, our program works fine. So you have created a program that checks whether the numbers are prime or not.